Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share with you one of my green juice recipes. I am making a spinach juice today. So there's only 5 ingredients. So let me show you the ingredients that we're going to use today. So we are going to use spinach, some flaxseed, some mango aloe vera juice, and some coconut juice. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and pop our lid off of our mixer and add our spinach. Then we want to add our cucumbers. Let's go ahead and get those chopped up. And let's go ahead and get our cucumbers in here. And let's go ahead and add our flaxseed. Flaxseed is full of omega-3, which is very good for your system. And we are going to go ahead and fill our entire bottle of mango aloe vera. And last but least, we're going to put some coconut water. We're not going to put the whole thing in, but we're going to put in maybe about a half of coconut water. And let's go ahead and pop our top back on. Let's give it a spin. We're going to put it on medium to break it down. Let's go ahead and take our finished result and let's put it in our bottles. are our finished products. And full of vitamins, omega-3. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am Ms. Shin, owner of shimmerelegance.com, where we provide women's wigs, beauty products, and accessories. And today we're just sharing one of our recipes. Very quick and simple, under 7 minutes to make. Thank you.